Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Santa's Workshop here. We're trying to get back into the shop. Brian is coming over here shortly, and we're going to start cleaning up around here. We have got a mess. This is what happens when you don't come out here for 3 months and you just come in, pile stuff down, walk away, come in, pile stuff down, walk away, yada, yada, yada. But we have got a swap meet. We are going to be in Chickasha at the automotive swap meet with a load of spare parts. The seats you're seeing right there, I'm going to be taking those. I'm going to have some El Camino parts. I'm going to have the hood off of the Caballero since I've got that hood now. I know I don't need it. The chrome bumpers, I'm going to put roll pans on the front and back. So I'm going to have those there. Just parts laying around that we don't need. It's just going to be a whole variety of stuff. Got a set of headers right there under the table. Those are shorties. Those are some good little headers. I think I looked them up. They're like $300-400 for that set. But we are going to start cleaning up around here. Once we get cleaned up, we're going to hit on the Corvette, get that thing going. Austin will actually be here tomorrow, so we can. We're going to be doing some work on that. Still have got my mom's well house top to build. Brian's going to help me get that done, so that's out of the equation. And there's just a whole lot to do around here. I am feeling better, still having a little hitch in my get along, literally. I'll be walking fine and the hip just kind of gives away. The doctor just said it's just going to have to work itself back up because I've been, off of it for so long. So we'll keep it struggling until we get it done. But to let you know, Santa season this year is insane. I have already got the month of November booked out. December is filling up quickly. I think I've still got a few slots on a weekend. But needless to say, videos for the rest of the year are just going to be hit and miss. I am going to get them out. I am going to get some out. But just to let you know, I'm not going to really push hard to do videos because I've got so much other stuff to do. But as we go, that Corvette is the first thing to get done and off of that spot, as I said, so I can get Jim's cab on this frame. Once I get that cab on the frame and I can get started on that body work, I really feel that this is going to go a whole lot quicker. I feel so bad that this summer I have not been out here working, but it's just been too hot. It's been this way over the country, so everybody knows what it's been like. But guys, we are going to get some stuff moved around. I'll film a little bit of it, but yeah, after we get everything loaded, what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of go over and film what we are taking to the swap meet. If you can, come out there and see us. We'll be happy to sit and talk for a little bit. We're going to have some stuff that we are just going to practically give away just to get it out of the shop. I mean, it's good stuff. We just have no need for it. And I would rather somebody take it, use it on their project, than sit there and hold on to it saying, no, this is worth, $200. No, $50, get it out of my hair. And that's $50 I can put towards something else. I've had several other people donate to me. Thank y'all for that. I will have their names sometime in this video. But guys, I'm back. Let's get going. See you soon. All right. We're getting some things together for the swap meet in Chickasha. Getting everything tagged. Got a couple of intakes I just brought down from upstairs and a couple of wheels, and You wouldn't believe who actually showed up today.
Hello.
How you doing, Austin?
Slipping into madness, same as always.
I got him working on the underside of the Corvette hood. We're going to scuff it down, do some rattle can satin black under here just to make it look better. Yeah, I'm not going to be putting the insulation back under it because finding that and getting it here is, I'm tired of dealing with shipping. I'm just tired of dealing with shipping. But we're going to set it up right here so we can watch Austin work. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope I got that camera set just right so y'all can see me. I've got some mail call going. This was sent from Dan in Afton, New York. Dan, if you don't know Lunar's Outlaw Garage, you need to go check him out, and because he's up in your area, and say hi to him when you see him for me. See what we got from Dan today. Oh, well, that's cool. Contour gauge. Those things always come in handy when doing curves and stuff on a car when you're reconstructing them. You can put that there, set it, check it on the other side, and get your curve just right. Thank you, Dan. That was that's cool. See what else we got. Pro Tactical Flashlight. Heck yeah. I guarantee you, you never can have too many flashlights. What the heck? Whoa. That is, I like that. That is cool. Yeah, that's going to be put to use. If I can see again. Woo! Heck yeah. And, oh, check this out. Sent me a New York license plate. I'll put that up on the wall with my other license plates. and a couple of XL stickers. We'll stick those on the toolbox too. And a note. Hello, Mike. Just a note to say, love your channel. Wanted to send you some things. From the Southern Tier in New York, keep up the great channel and great content. Your forever friend and subscriber, Dan. Dan, thank you so much, buddy. I appreciate that greatly. And some other shout outs I want to do. I had a subscriber send me a fairly substantial donation, and I just want to give him credit and say thank you. John in Aurora, Colorado. I appreciate it. It's going toward the Caballero build. I've still got some ways to go on that. I've still got to get the transmission and the Holly Sniper kit for it. Brian is back in the shop helping me out. We're going to get the shop cleaned up because this place is a mess. I'll show you that in a minute. We've got a swap meet we're going to this next week, and I want to get this video out before this weekend so everybody knows about the swap meet. It's going to be in Chickasha, Oklahoma. It's the Chickasha auto swap meet, one of the largest in Oklahoma. Guys, if you can, come out and see us. I believe we're on row E, booth 11. The way they described it to me, we're right through the front gate, straight down that aisle. So, hey, come out and see us. Come by and say hi. See what spare parts we got. I'll show you a little bit of what we have laying out already. We still got a lot more to go through. So, y'all come see me at that. And also, want to give a shout out to Joe. Joe, if you remember, is the one who taught my grandson Bryson how to drive a stick in his little Saturn Sky. That was fun to watch. I really appreciate Joe. He has done a lot to help me, brought me a lot of things. Matter of fact, the engine stand that my motor is sitting on, he brought to me and gave to me. But Joe is thinking about starting his own YouTube channel, so keep an eye out for it. It's called Mad Dog Garage. Joe is a professional drone pilot, so he goes out and flies drones, checking highlines and stuff. Guys, keep an eye out for Mad Dog Garage. As soon as it gets out, I will be sharing links to him. Great fella, and he's going to have. He brought me some tools and stuff. I'm taking some of it to the swap meet. Some of it I'm keeping to use here, but he's always been there and helped me out a lot. And we want to announce my 20,000 subscriber thank you t-shirt contest. Jim Sathome. If I'm pronouncing that wrong, Jim, forgive me, but give me an email at Santa's Workshop 64@gmail.com. We'll get that t-shirt on the way to you. Thank you, Jim. Congratulations. All right, well, I'm going to break this video right here. Now I'm going to get on the other end of the camera, show you a little bit more what's going on in the shop, and we're going to end this video. One thing I did forget to mention a while ago, if y'all have sent me something, either in the mail, a monetary donation, whatever, and I have not gave you a shout out, please let me know. This summer has been so nuts that I have just been fog-headed. Different kinds of medications and stuff have just really messed with me, and I'm lucky to remember my own name. So please, if y'all have donated something, whether it be through the mail, just sent me a letter, whatever, and I have not responded to you, please send me an email at santasworkshop64@gmail.com, and I will make sure I give you a shout out. To all those who have sent me stuff, thank you so much. This has been an undertaking and an experience, and it's going to do nothing but get better. I promise. Thank y'all. All right. I told you I was going to show you a little bit of how much of a mess my shop is. This is Mr. Jim's pickup parts. And top shelf is for parts for his pickup. That is El Caballero shelf. That is Brian's T-bucket shelf. There's his heads. There's his block. There's my block. And I'm just going to do a slow pan around the shop to show you how much cleaning I got to get done before I can really get back to work good and heavy. That right there is all of our swap meet parts. There's Jim's frame and cab. The Corvette. Oh, the Corvette hood. Let me show you the Corvette hood. Austin came down, and I didn't get to say goodbye to him on camera, but he helped me get the hood down and get it down here so I could get it painted. This thing was all scuffed up, oversprayed, and everything underneath. But we got it all black, taped off the edge so it won't show. I think that's going to look a lot better on the underside when that hood's raised. I tried my best to keep that from striping, but you know, with a rattle can it's kind of hard. But I think once it dries it'll look pretty good. All right, there's the spare tire carrier, and I hear something pulling up. I think that may be Brian. Yep, that's him. But this is one of the things that, some of the things that Jim sent me, some Hutchins air files. I got one there that doesn't work, one over there that does, and I'm going to take to the swap meet. Boy, you're noisy. And here is a bunch of what we're taking. Now this is just part of it. We have intakes, we have weld racing wheels, small block Chevy heads, Ford 9-inch rear end, a Ford 8-inch rear end. We're going to have T-bucket parts. Guys, if y'all can make it out there to that swap meet, please do. I would like to see you. All right, something else to add to our stock that we're taking to the swap meet. How about 238 Hot Wheels? Now, from what I can tell, none of these are older than 2000, but yet they are all still in the package, most of them in good shape. I figure $2 each, because everywhere I'm seeing on eBay showing $3 plus shipping. So $2 each, these ought to be a steal of a deal. So, if you're into Hot Wheels and you're coming to the Chickasha swap meet, come see us. But that's going to end up this video. Thank you all so much. We will see y'all next time on Santa's Workshop. Hopefully see you in Chickasha.